Okay, so this question says a spider crawling across the table leaps onto a magazine blocking its path. The initial velocity of the spider is 0.87 meters at an angle of 35 degrees above the table, and it lands on a magazine after 0.077 seconds after leaving the table. Ignore air resistance. How thick is the magazine? Express your answer in millimeters. Okay, so we start off by drawing our diagram, and this is the path that the spider would take. Notice how the spider isn't landing again at the same height in which it started off, because it's landing on a magazine. So we would draw that at the end here. Then we have initial velocity of 0.87, an angle of 35 degrees, and we start off by writing our initial velocity in the y. Our initial velocity in the y is sine of 35 times 0.87 to give us 0.5. We don't know what our final velocity in the y is. We know our acceleration in the y is negative 9.81. We don't know what our displacement in the y is, and we know that our time is 0.077 seconds. Okay, here we don't have to use the x components because we already have enough variables in the y to solve for the displacement in the y. So in order to solve this, we would have to use the equation that our displacement is equal to our initial velocity times our time plus 1/2 of our acceleration times our time squared. So once we plug in our values, we get that our displacement in the y is equal to 0.01 meters. However, it's asking us for the answer in millimeters, so we convert that to millimeters and get 10 millimeters.